Our latest adventure began the moment we wheeled our newly purchased Volkswagen Bug into the garage. My son and I were ready to roll up our sleeves and transform this faded classic into something truly special. First, we carefully removed each panel and part, placing everything on labeled shelves and workbenches. My son took notes in a beat-up spiral notebook, making sure we didn't lose track of a single bolt or bracket. With each section dismantled, we sorted the components into sturdy boxes, marking them with permanent ink to keep track of their original positions. The old upholstery went into one container, chrome trim into another. No piece was too small to label. As we peeled back the layers of dust and rust, our parts list grew. My son, armed with a clipboard, wrote down everything from spark plugs to window seals, while I showed him how to check for worn-out bearings and cracked rubber hoses. Keep everything neat and tidy, and take plenty of pictures as you disassemble the vehicle. It'll pay off in the end when it comes back from the paint shop. Go online, ask questions if needed, or watch how-to videos, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. In the end, our teardown was more than just disassembly. It was a lesson in patience and organization. Each bolt, bracket, and label carried us one step closer to bringing this old bug back to life together.